I've got a problem with the leisure battery that I'm fitting at the moment, simply because I haven't got time to make the pods that I want to make to put it in, and I'm going away on Monday. It's now Saturday. I have to find a way of getting the relay switch and the associated wiring sorted out quickly so that I can just pop it in and pop it out without it involving an awful lot of work. And I had a thought that I'll just put it in a box. I've seen, I think, elsewhere that people putting it in a box. I've just bought the first thing I could find that I think it might fit. It's not quite the right size, but I think I've got a solution. We just want to get it warm enough so that it will deform when I put the battery in, because it's just too tight. I wanted a snug fit, but I don't want it all coming out one side. Ugh. A battery in a box. That looks about right there. So I'm just crimping up leads, and these every day not very good crimpers are not really up to the job, but you can get a bit of mechanical assistance from one of these quick clamps, which does get a half decent crimp on the end. Right, well, I think we've almost done. We've all done less. One connector, so it's the supply to these utility sockets and a couple of USB chargers that are just stupidly, it's a Sunday, I'll have to wait until tomorrow. But other than that, I'm quite happy with how this has worked. Alright, so I got overexcited and burnt the side of the box when I was getting the battery to fit in it, but the battery's nice and snug in this box. That's the fuse out, so what we've got is that's the feed from the starter battery, that's the earth going back to the chassis. I've got a secondary earth point here to connect other small bits and pieces to get them earthed out inside this plastic box. The supply comes in to the box into the voltage regulator. I think that's quite a neat solution at the end of the day. I can store that, and when I need to use it, just pick it up and put it in the van. So that's connected up. Earth-same little red light. By and large, I'm quite pleased with that.